Ever wondered if that familiar black horse logo means Lloyds Bank is only around the corner in the UK? You've probably seen their branches dotting high streets across England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland, but does their reach extend beyond these shores? That's exactly what we're diving into today. For many, Lloyds is synonymous with British banking. Its roots stretch way back to 1765 in Birmingham, making it one of the UK's oldest and most established financial institutions. Generations of people in the UK have banked with Lloyds, taken out mortgages with them, and seen their iconic horse and rider symbol. This deep history and widespread presence within the UK naturally lead to the assumption that their operations are solely domestic. And to a large extent, that assumption holds true. Lloyds Banking Group, the parent company of Lloyds Bank, Halifax, and Bank of Scotland, has significantly streamlined its international operations in recent years to focus primarily on the UK market. This strategic shift involved selling off many of its overseas businesses. For instance, in 2017, they completed the sale of their remaining international private banking business. This move signaled a clear intention to concentrate on serving customers within the United Kingdom. However, the picture isn't entirely black and white, or should I say, entirely black horse. While Lloyds Bank doesn't operate retail branches in numerous countries around the world like some other global banking giants, they do maintain a presence in a few key international locations. These are primarily focused on providing services to corporate and institutional clients. Think of it this way: if a large UK-based company has significant international dealings, Lloyds might have a presence in those international markets to support their corporate banking needs. These offices typically handle things like trade finance, international payments, and other services tailored to businesses operating across borders. So, while you won't find a Lloyds Bank branch on your holiday trip to Spain or your business trip to the United States catering to everyday personal banking, the institution does have a limited international footprint to support specific business segments. Therefore, the answer to our initial question, is Lloyds a UK-only bank, is nuanced. For the vast majority of individual customers, Lloyds is indeed a UK-centric bank. Their retail operations are firmly rooted within the United Kingdom. However, at the corporate and institutional level, they maintain a presence in select international locations to facilitate global business for their UK clients. This strategic focus on the UK market reflects a broader trend in the banking industry where institutions are often choosing to concentrate on their core markets to enhance efficiency and better serve their primary customer base. For Lloyds, that primary customer base is overwhelmingly within the United Kingdom. So, next time you see that black horse, remember its strong ties to British banking, even if its hooves occasionally step onto international ground for specific business purposes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.